Hi, I am your coach Steven, and in this video, I am going to explain to you how to create and submit timesheet. And let's start. This is the employee's dashboard. Now you have to go through the self-service menu and then open My Timesheets by pressing on it. Here you can view your existing timesheet. Now you can see the selected week number, and also the start date and end date here. There are two ways to change the week. One is to change the week from the list. By pressing this button you will see more weeks with their period. You can also view the previous week by pressing this button. And to view next week's detail, press this button. Now let's create a timesheet for any week by pressing the Build Timesheet button. Here you can see a pop-up window where we have to select the period we wish to build. Here you can see the date range of the period, start date and end date. Here is also a note for the timesheet, like if there are any changes in your timesheet, and then click on the OK button. Now you can see the system made your timesheet on behalf of you, where you can see the workday which shows your day and the date of the selected week from Monday to Sunday. On the next, you can see the status of the day. After that, you will see the schedule time set in the system, start time, end time, and duration. And then unpaid meal break duration here, which is 0.5 hours. After that, you can see the actual time of the employee, like start time, end time, and duration. It will not show the time in case of absence, leave, or public holiday or any not working day. Then you can see the manual exception which is made by you, with hours and type. After that, system exception is there containing hours and type. This is the exception of timesheet which is approved. In the last, you can see net hours which is calculated by the system. And then this is the costing segment which shows time allocation which is defined in your profile. Now you can see the sum of scheduled duration, then the actual duration of your time, then the sum of system exception hours, and at the end the sum of total hours. Here we can set work time allocation, like if you were allocated in some other project apart from your work schedule, then you can add your time allocation here. Now in this pop-up window you can see work number and date. Then you can select the duty type, either regular or higher duty. Then you can select the work class from the list: job-related, team development, training, meeting, conference, travel. Then we have to select the project where we want to allocate time. Here you will see the whole projects list. You can choose any you wish. You can also put work name to make the allocation more understandable. If we select whole day, then we don't need to put start time, end time below. If we select partly, then we have to put the allocation time in start hour and minutes, then end hour and minutes. Then it will calculate the duration here. If you want to add your overtime, then you can mention here in hours. Then you can put any remark here if you want. Now here you can see your work number, work class, project name, duration, start time, end time, and work description. And if you want to make any changes, then you can edit it by using this pencil icon. In the next tab you can set the break details, if you have taken the meal break for more time or maybe on different time. If you are allowed for this, then you can add this. The system will consider unpaid meal break by default. And if you want to make any changes, then you can edit it by using this pencil icon. You can delete it by using this button and rebuild your timesheet again. If all things are right, then you can send the timesheet to the approver by pressing the Submit button. Once you press this button, then you will be no longer allowed to change any detail of the timesheet. That's all for this video.